Hello to all of you guys. In today's world, technology has advanced a lot. That's why there are so many giant machines. The engineers went crazy. You can see the best engineering marvels as well as giant machines. You will fall in love while watching it. You can also find many new things. If you want more such videos to come, you can support us by liking this video. So let's start. There is a very powerful machine in our first video. This machine is so powerful that it easily removes the concrete and soil on the ground. Even the audience was shocked. Would you like to see such a machine for real? What you're seeing is not a movie scene. This powerful machine eats almost everything in its path. Very strong. I have never seen such a powerful machine in my life. It is huge and one of the most important inventions of human history. As a result of the combination of human intelligence and technology, such a giant machine has emerged. I would like to use this powerful machine frankly. It's fun to have such power. Look how strong he is. It is not as difficult as it used to be, to clear meters of snow. This powerful machine can clean just about anything. It can do this in a very short time. The power of the snowblower will shock you too. This giant machine used in the garden is starting to surprise us with the features it has. An incredible video. Thanks to its vacuuming power, this machine also cleans everything very easily. Anyone with this tool can drill the ground very easily. Because of such machines, there is little need for manpower. With this giant machine, work can be done very easily. Soil transport and similar works are done with this machine. With this giant machine, work can be done very easily. Soil transport and similar works are done with this machine. One of the most powerful machines in the world. The higher the speed, the greater the power. Incredible. It may be smaller than the others, but thanks to this barbed-wheeled vehicle, even the most difficult jobs are done in a short time. Digging the ground and collecting the sand has never been easier before. This lawnmower does all the work very easily. These giant machines are now used in the agricultural world. You won't believe the power of this earth machine. Watch how easy things get when great machines and human techniques come together. These machines, which are also used in agriculture, continue to make the life of farmers easier. Only giant machines can destroy giant buildings. The demolition machines do their best to destroy everything that comes their way.